Here we will write a program to explain working of Combobox in Tkinter. First we will import Tkinter. So import Tkinter as Tk, and from Tkinter we will import ttk. Then we will add root window as tk.tk, and we will set the geometry for the root window as 400 by 400, and we will set the title for the root window. Then we will add a combo box as combo equal to ttk.combobox for root window. Then we will set the font as Arial, size 15, and bold. We can add the values directly here, so I will add here as 1, 2, 3 and 4, and I will set text variable as selected number, and I will assign selected number equal to tk.string variable. Then we will pack this combo box. So combo.pack pad x equal to 12, pad y equal to 20. Then we will add one button. When we select the option from the combo box and click on this button, it will display which option is selected from the combo box. So b1 equal to tk.button for root window. We will set text equal to display selected, and command equal to, we will call here get selected item function. Then we will pack this button as b1.pack pad y equal to 5, and we will add a root window as root.main loop. Then we will write a function get selected item. So def get selected item. We are going to display the selected item from the combo box in message box. So first we will import the message box from Tkinter. From Tkinter import message box. Then inside the function, first we will check the item is selected from the combo box or not. For this we will use current method from the combo box. So current index equal to combo box dot current. If the item is not selected from the combo box, current index will be -1. So we will check if current index less than 0. We will print with message box. Message box dot show will give the title as selected item, and will give the message no item is selected. Else we will print the selected item. So we will store selected item equal to combo.get, which is used to get the selected item from the combo box, and with message box we will print it. I will write show info selected item as the title for the window, and will print selected item. Then we execute. First I will click on this display selected. It will print no item is selected. Then I will select the item from the combo box and click on this display selected. It will print 2. So here to add a combo box, first we will import Tkinter, then we will import ttk from the Tkinter, and we will import the message box from the Tkinter. Then we will add a root window, then we will set the root window geometry, that is height and width of the root window, and title as working of combo box. Then I will set the selected number equal to tk.string variable, and I will add the combo as ttk.combobox for the root window, then font, values and text variable as selected number. And then I will add one button with text display selected and command as get selected item. And here we have written a function get selected item, in which we will check current index for the selected item. If it is less than 0, that is no item is selected. So with message box function we will display no item is selected, and if current index is greater than 0, we will get the current selected item with get function, and with message box we will print it.